Welcome to Growing Fearless, a thriving community designed for anyone passionate about gardening, sustainability, and leading a self-sufficient lifestyle.
Hi, I'm Johan Bryan, one of the dedicated gardeners here at Growing Fearless. With years of experience as an entrepreneur, a live event producer, a photographer, and recently a farmer, I have helped thousands of people transform their vision into a reality. And now, I am here to help you bring your dream garden to life.
Growing Fearless is for everyone, from city dwellers with window boxes to rural folks with expansive gardens. It's for the environmentally conscious, the home chefs, and those seeking a deeper connection with nature.
From growing businesses to growing food, and now sharing my knowledge of farming, my journey has been about empowering individuals and communities. I am so passionate about food independence and helping others grow their own food. I've done it for my family, and I can help you do it for yours.
Here, you can expect to gain practical gardening skills, participate in exclusive workshops, and access a range of courses from seed starting to harvesting. Connect with like-minded individuals, share experiences, and grow together.
Hey, join our community to learn the beginning and advanced techniques to make sure that you keep your garden thriving. At Growing Fearless, we offer a personalized learning path for everyone at all skill levels, so whether you're a beginner gardener or a master gardener, you have what you need to ensure that you are achieving your garden goals.
To ensure a positive environment, we have a few simple rules. Respect each other, stay on topic, keep it spam-free, and share your experiences constructively.
The plan is real simple. Start with the basics and advance through the courses and workshops. Make sure you're active in the community. Ask questions. If you see another fearless grower that's got a question that you have an answer to, help them out. Post. Make sure that you're liking people's comments so that way they go up in levels and advance in the gamification. And most important, practice, practice, practice. Put your energy into the ground, develop your soil, and grow something fantastic. Let's grow fearless.